Welcome to Supreme Wealth Alliance Ultimate Perfect Pay Plan System, or SWA Ultimate. Now, I believe the reason why you're viewing this video is maybe you want to earn extra cash while keeping your own job, or maybe you want to earn extra cash while staying at home, or maybe you're tired of your work that seems endless and paying you less. And lastly, maybe nasa MLM ka na or dati ka na nagne-network and you have been forever trying and wishing that you could just get that one leader that will boost your team. Now, if ever hindi ka dun sa tatlong nabanggit ko, you have your 5 seconds now to close this video. Now, it seems like the reason na hindi mo kinlose yung video is isa ka dun sa tatlo. Or maybe you're just curious, ano ba talagang meron dito sa i-discuss ko? Okay? So ngayon, I want to present you ano ba yung nangyari sa akin while doing this part-time job or this online job. Ang CEO ng company natin si Filipino, that's why we can get our payouts on our local payment options, pwedeng GCash, Smart Money, Western Union, Money Transfer, or bank-to-bank transaction. So within my first 3 weeks stay on SWA Alliance, I already earned 45,800 pesos. Now if you think hindi mo kayang kitain yan, or if you think na hindi totoo ito, pwede mo na i-close yung video. Di kita pipilitin. Pero, kung tingin mo gusto mong kumita ng 45,800 in 3 weeks, or let's say gusto mong kumita at least 30,000 or 20,000 in 3 weeks, ituloy mo to. Okay? I'll give you 5 seconds to decide. Now, I think gusto mong malaman kung paano ba. I'll show you how. So this is our business presentation for SWA Ultimate P3S. Now, ano ba yung SWA Ultimate Perfect Pay Plan System? It is a 100% online business program specifically designed to help regular people around the world. Ibig sabihin, 100% online mo lang itong gagawin. At ang pinakamaganda dyan, global tayo. Ang hawak natin ay buong mundo. Okay? So hindi tayo limited sa Pilipinas lang. Pwede kang kumuha ng clients mo sa USA, Canada, Africa, Saudi Arabia o kung saan man. Okay? At ang pinakamaganda dyan, online mo lang tong gagawin. Hindi mo kailangang pumunta sa office, hindi mo kailangan lumabas ng bahay mo. Online ka lang magmamarket. So gamit lang yung powerful two-way approach natin, pwede mo nang makuha yung sagot dun sa katanungan mo kanina. Okay? So ano ba yung two-way approach natin? First approach natin, we will attain financial success through our proven, positive, life-changing products. Approach number 2, we'll attain financial success through our unique, first-in-the-world system. So take note, we are first in the world to put up this system. So mamaya discuss ko sa'yo, paano ba yun? Just a brief background of our system or our company. The company was derived from ChavesNet Enterprises. So this is our CEO, Mr. Franco Chavez. No, the Chavez Enterprises was developed in 2009. Okay? So dun galing yung Supreme Wealth Alliance. Pero however, ang kagandahan dyan, yung Supreme Wealth Alliance was just started last January 28 ang pre-launching, 2012. So, kaka-start pa lang. Okay? So, ngayon, kaka-start pa lang siya. Pag yung isang company kaka-start pa lang, believe me or not, mas madaling magsimula. Bakit? Dahil wala ka pang masyadong kakompetensya. So, ngayon, as of now, nasa 300 pa lang kami. Okay? So, ngayon, kung sasali ka ngayon, pwedeng isa ka doon. Pwede mong agad habulin yung isa doon sa pinaka-top earner namin or isa doon sa mga pinaka-matataas na kumikita sa company namin. Okay? So, we proceed. Ano ba yung product ng company? Actually, dito ako napabilib. Okay? Kasi most ng products ng mga MLM company or multi-level marketing, mostly ang products nila health and wellness products, mga gamot, okay? O yung iba naman nagpapa-franchise, okay? Yung iba naman samot-sari. Kumbaga, mga tangible products na tinatawag nila. So ngayon, ang pinakamaganda dito sa product ng company natin, it is a Supreme Wealth Library na pwede mong kuhanin online. Ibig sabihin, ang mga products natin, online lang siya nakukuha. So ngayon, they are in the form of ebooks, pwedeng videos, audios, scripts, graphics, templates, modules, icons, and fonts, and other media formats. So, napakadali ng distribution. Dahil for example, you have 100,000 clients na gustong kumuha ng products mo. Now, if your products are tangible type of products, how will you deliver it to 100,000 people? It will take some time. Now, ang maganda dito sa atin, yung product natin is online lang. Even if you have 1 million clients na gustong kumuha ng products mo, they just have to click it. And within 1 minute, pwedeng na deliver mo na yung product mo sa kanila. Okay? So ngayon, ano ba yung mga ebooks natin na pinapresent? Now, most of our ebooks contains wealth ebooks or how to manage your business, how to manage your money. Okay? So, aside from that, we also have strategic training programs for social marketing. Now, kung may business ka na, mas madali mo siyang i-market through Facebook. Tinuturuan namin dito how to make fan pages, how to make your own website, how to make your sulit advertising page. So, ngayon dito matututo ka. Kahit napaka-newbie mo lang, hindi ka masyadong techie, nandito yung simple ways. At ang maganda dyan, hindi lang to libro. May mga video pa na titingnan mo para step by step mas matututunan mo. Aside from that, yan, we have audiobooks na step by step video and audio tutorials kung paano mo malaman or paano mo gawin yung mga gagawin mo. So ngayon, aside from that, hindi lang about doon. We also have mga beauty and health enhancement ebooks. For example, anti-aging or skincare. And then we also have 6-pack abs para dun sa mga who want to stay fit forever. And then we also have books that winning against various problems. For example, how to quit smoking, how to stop snoring, how to treat depression. And then we also have how to do books like how to cook. So now, sa mga gustong matutong magluto, or ito, yung pinakamaganda, yung pinakasikat ngayon na libro, Law of Attraction. Then we also have photography. For example, you're into photography and then gustong matuto, marami tayong varieties na pwedeng pag-aralan. So talagang matututo ka dito sa mga ebooks na to. Okay, so ang pinakamaganda dyan, napakadali lang niyang i-manipulate. Dahil meron tayong isang Supreme Wealth Library na pwede mong easy access lahat ng mga information na gusto mo. Ito-type mo lang kung ano yung description or title ng gusto mong makuha. And then instantly, mata-download mo na siya. Yun ang products natin. And then aside from that, meron pa tayong resale rights. Ibig sabihin, pwede mo tong ibenta sa ibang tao. So ngayon, kikita ka pa ulit pag binenta mo yung mga ebooks na to sa ibang tao. Now, with all these features, value, and content, one would easily think na napakamahal ng Supreme Wealth Library natin. Maybe it will cost you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Ang good news niyan, it does not. Because it will only cost you $55 one time. So now, one time ka lang mag-i-invest ng $55 mo, and then you'll get all those ebooks. At ang maganda pa niyan, we are keeping on adding new products to the library that you can access anytime. Okay, if you carefully study and faithfully put into practice the powerful knowledge that you will find in our Supreme Wealth Library, we guarantee 100% now you will ultimately find the financial success that you are looking for. That's how confident we are of approach number 1 in helping you attain financial freedom and independence. But wait, we also have approach number 2, which is actually a much faster way para mas makuha mo yung mga dreams mo, especially if you combine it with approach number 1. Now, this is our perfect pay plan system or P3S. Approach number 2 is so simple. Once you purchase our Supreme Wealth Library, you'll be entered into our marketing system and you'll be given your own website. Ito pinakamaganda, may sarili kang website. So ngayon, hindi mo kailangan na gumawa ng website. For example, hindi ka techie, wala kang idea paano gumawa ng website. We will provide you your own website for your own marketing. Okay? So ngayon, Kailangan mo lang siyang i-share sa ibang tao para makakuha ka pa ng more income. Okay? So, why perfect pay plan system? Sabi nila wala daw perfect pay plan system. Ayun din yung sabi namin dati. Pero, we found a way kung paano magawa yung perfect pay plan system. It is because we combine the two best and most popular compensation plans on the internet. Yun yung, kumbaga kinumbine namin yung dalawang pinakamaganda at pinakasikat na pay plan system. So ngayon, pag yun kinumbine mo, you will get a perfect pay plan system. How? Okay? So ngayon, bakit? Paano namin nasabi? Because what's super about these two pay plans is that yung weakness of one are the strengths of the other. That's why they are a perfect couple. So we use 2x2 matrix and infinity pass up. Yung major ng 2x2 matrix, weakness naman yun ng infinity pass up. However, yung major weakness ng 2x2 matrix, major strength naman ng infinity pass up. That's why binaback up nila yung isa't isa. Kaya talagang mababalance yung pwede mong kitain at mas mamamagnify yung major strengths. Now, paano na ba yung system na to? Okay? So ngayon, ipapaliwanag ko sa'yo paano ba yung pay plans natin. First, pag-usapan natin yung step-by-step process ng 2x2 dynamic follow matrix. This pay plan is based on a structure of only 7 persons. Now, you will be given your own triangle. Okay, triangle ang system na to. Okay, sa isang triangle na yan, it is composed of 7 persons in which ikaw yung number 1, ikaw yung nasa taas. Now, you only need to get your first 2 persons. Okay? Then, yung 2 persons na yun, kukuha lang ng 2 tao. Now, nabuo nyo na yung 7 person sa isang triangle. Hence, the term 2x2. Ibig sabihin, kumuha ka lang ng 2. Yung 2 mo, kukuha lang din ng 2. Okay? So, ngayon, once na na-complete mo na yung isang matrix na tinatawag or yung isang triangle, ang tawag din is isang cycle. So, ngayon, one cycle will cost you $70. So, ngayon, ito yung pinakamaganda dyan. Dito, pwede yung mga medyo mahina mag-invite or medyo tamad. Okay, kasi for example, ganito, no? For example, ikaw yan. Ang na-refer mo, isang tao lang. Okay? Tapos ngayon, ang pinakamaganda dyan, yung upline mo, pag masipag yung upline mo, at tapos na siya sa matrix niya, sa sarili niyang triangle, pag siya nakapag-invite pa ng another person, pwede niya yung i-spill over dito sa loob ng triangle mo or cycle mo. Now, ito yung invite mo. Nakakuha siya ng 2 tao. Kasi yung spill over sa'yo, nakakuha lang din ng 2 tao. Automatically, na-fill up na yung isang cycle mo. You will now earn $70. And then, after ma-fill up itong isang cycle mo, magkakaroon ka ng another matrix. Okay? So, kailangan ulit ma-fill up to. So, it doesn't need na ikaw ulit yung mag-fill up niyan. Dahil pag itong mga taon to nakapag-invite ulit, automatically dito sila mapupunta sa free slot mo. So, ngayon, magkakaroon ka ng $90 per cycle pag ikaw nakapag-accumulate ng 7 or more direct referrals. So, I suggest, instead na ini-spill over lang sa itong mga taong to, mas maganda sa first cycle mo pa lang, ikaw na kagad kumuha ng mga taong yan. Kumuha ka na kagad ng 7 people mo. Para sa next cycle mo, per cycle is $90 na at ang pinakamaganda dyan, it is a permanent reward. Ibig sabihin, forever ng $90 ang per cycle mo. Now, after completing your first matrix, your succeeding matrices can be filled up by your further direct referrals, upline spillovers, or your direct referrals. So, paano ba yan? For example, medyo tamad ka or medyo mahina ka talaga makapag-invite. Ang na-invite mo isang tao lang. Okay? Siya medyo masipag. Nakapagkuha siya ng 2, yung 2 niya nakakuha ng 2. So ngayon mapupunta siya, pag siya natapos na, syempre may sarili na siya, magkakaroon siya ulit ng bagong matrix. Mapupunta siya doon sa open slot mo. Okay? So ngayon pag siya nakapag-invite ng 2 ulit, kompleto na yung triangle mo. May $70 ka na. Okay? Magkakaroon ka ulit ng another cycle. Siya, pag natapos niya na ulit yung cycle niya, doon siya ulit mapupunta sa cycle mo. Susundan ka niya ulit doon. So, automatically, mafi-fill up yung cycle mo kahit hindi ka gumagalaw. Pero I suggest pa din Mas maganda, ikaw pa rin yung kumuha muna nung 7 tao, first 7 people, para mas mabilis yung income mo.